Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 327 different strategies, with 108 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 225 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,023 indicators, with 427 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says, this free TradingView indicator for 2024 best buy sell signals crazy scalping strategy. So of course some keywords stuffed into that title there, making the grammar just a tad bit difficult to understand. And considering how we're almost all the way through 2024, I'm still surprised that some of these source videos are targeting the keywords for this year and not next year already. And so, but nonetheless, we will put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So let's go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is the expansion contraction indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and it will look like this right here. We'll keep it on the default settings. Don't need to change anything there. The next indicator we will add to the screen is called the percentile calculation indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And this one also, we do not need to change any of the settings. Well, I take that back. So go into the style and uncheck this one right here, the current percentile. Uncheck that and everything else stays on the default. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we're looking for price to have touched the purple line last. And as the price action touches that purple line, we're then looking for it to come down and break the yellow line right here. And when that happens, we then look down to the expansion and contraction indicator, and we want it to be red like it is here. And that will be the signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right here. Actually, we'll put our stop at the purple line there, and we will target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. You see that we get an immediate push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for price to have last touched the orange line, like this right here. And then we are looking for it to come up and break the yellow line like this here. And when that happens, we're then going to look down to the expansion contraction indicator, and we want it to be green like it is here. And so when all those line up, that will be our signal to enter into a long. Put our trade right here. We will put our stop at the orange line right here, and we will target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really nice push, pretty much straight up getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 40% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000 altogether. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,000 altogether for an overall gain of $0. Basically break even. That's not including any spreads or commissions, and so most likely would have been in the red a decent little amount. And so not the best buy sell signal indicator, and definitely not a great indicator for 2024 or in general, maybe not any year. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 54 trades altogether. We had 43 winning trades and 11 losing trades, putting it at a 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $25,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $13,200 for an overall gain of $12,600. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. And you do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And recently we have developed a crypto scalping strategy using the Academy of Forex indicator. You can see a nice laundry list of trades that we have recently taken using that strategy here. Gained over $4,000 in the last 4 weeks using the scalping strategy. If you're interested in seeing it, you can view the video by clicking the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the scalping strategy. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.